Hello viewers, greetings to all. Welcome to Varun Krishna YouTube channel. Today I'm going to give you some awareness about the jobs. As a fresher, you might not aware about the companies, right? So whenever you see the notification, simply you are going to apply the jobs without knowing full detail about that company. Okay, so you must aware about the company before you applying the job. This is my humble request. Why? Because whatever the notification we see, we were see anywhere in the advertisement or job notification, whether it is multiple portals, please do not apply until unless you just go through the GD properly. Okay, why? Because it might be the fake. So many of the fraudulent companies are just simply raising the notification and posted anywhere in the job portal, I mean social platform I'm saying. So in that case they are just simply attracting you to apply the job. It might be the spam also. Okay, then after that they will ask you to pay the money to get a job. So I'm just keep saying the same thing. So in order to avoid all those things, I'm going to post one job awareness video, how to apply the job, how to figure it out, the companies, whether the companies are registered companies or unregistered companies. So this kind of information you are going to see in this video. Please watch this video completely without skipping. Okay, let's see the video right away. This is as usual our disclaimer card. I'm just keep saying the same thing only. I'm just acting as a bridge between the job seekers and employers. In case if any one of company ask you to pay the money, please do not pay. It might be the fake. So again, I am not the responsible person for that. Also, this is video completely for freshers only. Not only freshers, the experienced also. Even the experienced also, they might not aware how to figure it out the company whether it is registered or not. So regarding this one, I just posted a video in the very beginning in my YouTube channel. So I just posted the video in my original language, so many of the people couldn't able to understand what I'm speaking over there. So in order to overcome those issues, I'm just posting this video in English, so it might be useful for all the job seekers. It may be both freshers and experienced. Let's see the video right now. Yes, like I said, I'm going to show you how to figure it out the company whether it is registered or not. So all you need to do is you need to type Ministry of Corporate Affairs here. So the very first thing you need to click. Okay, so later you need to figure it out the MCA services, right? This is the menu you need to focus. Then you need to go for the LLP services after mouse over the NCA services. So the MCA services will just populate at the submenus, that is called LLP services. Over there you need to choose change LLP, sorry, the FO services. I think they have introduced recently, I hope so. Why? Because it is not present any earlier. So this is the new menu they have introduced, FO services. Over there you need to figure it out the find LLPIN menu, which is the right option to figure it out the company is registered or not under the Government of India. Okay, so after you click that menu, you just navigate to this page, the find LLPIN page. Over there we have the two options, which is based on the existing company name and old company name. I'm going to choose the very first one based on existing company. Over there I'm going to choose the wildcard operator. Let me select this one. This option starts with. So I'm going to figure it out the company name called Cognizant. Okay, then I need to given the captcha here. This is the recent features they have added. Earlier, again I'm saying earlier it won't exist to figure it out this company whether it's registered or not. Okay, so after given the captcha value, I'm going to do submit now. See, you are just seeing the company name. List of company name starts with Cognizant. Okay, likewise you need to figure it out all the company. So why I'm saying means, so do not blindly apply for all the companies. Please go through the site, then check the company whether it is registered or not, then do apply. Okay, that should be fine for you. Yeah, that's why I'm just posting this awareness video. Okay, so even the experience also not aware about this concept. So I know very well why, because I supposed to check all the things likewise only. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So yeah, so in case you feel this is very relevant for you, please do share, subscribe and like the videos. Yes, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you viewers, thank you for watching this Varun Krishna YouTube channel today. That's it today. So let me post one more fresher job openings video upcoming days. So apart from that, in case if you are feel satisfied whatever the jobs I'm just posted here, please subscribe and share your friends and colleagues. Why? Because in case if you feel which is not relevant, or in case if you're not the skill set what I'm just posting here which is not matching for you, please share your friend circle. They will get benefited by seeing this video. Okay, so again I'm saying, in case if you are feeling any feedback you want to give, please share everything into my comments, as well as I just given my personal number as well into my introduction slide, so you can go over there and just try to make a call to me. You can share your feedbacks whatever I need to improve in my videos. Thank you so much. Again I'm just repeating, please do not skip this video. Why I'm just saying means, last more than 6 months is very difficult to get a job as a fresher. So as I said in the beginning of this video, the hiring is going to very slow. They are going, because 15 lakh students are graduated in this year. They are going to recruit only the 10% out of the 15 lakhs, which means only the 1.5 lakh people only they are going to hire. Okay, so think about it. So whatever the jobs I'm just posted here, try to apply immediately. Why? Because if you are missed the chance, then lack of resumes just waiting behind you. They will push you front, they will post their resume, then obviously they will come up. Okay, so think about it and apply the job as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, one more time I'm just saying the same. If you are satisfied, please share, subscribe and share your friends and colleagues. Thank you so much.